Hello homeschoolers! Ang vlog na ito ay isang maikling update sa aming homeschool year 2021-2022. Maraming salamat sa pagsama dito sa aming journey ng homeschooling. Kung bago lang po kayo dito sa aming channel, ako po si Kat, isa po akong homeschool mom ng 3 bata. Ayan. So, right now, it's a Sunday today, and tomorrow we will be starting na 4th quarter period for my panganay, para sa panganay ko. So, let me start the update with the bunso muna. Okay. Our bunso is 4 years old and he is in pre-kindergarten level. And nag-start na kami ng 4th quarter sa kanya. And most of the homeschool materials and curriculum that we are using on him is from the BZB's Learning Hive preschool. And ayun, moving up, ceremony na niya next month. Sobrang bilis na ng mga panahon na matatapos na ulit ang another school year. And then for our grade 1 student naman who is enrolled under Peniel as our homeschool provider, nasa 3rd quarter pa kami. We are doing some of the exams na for the 3rd quarter, pero meron pa kayong mga ibang subjects na naiiwan sa 3rd quarter. So we may start some of the subjects for the 4th quarter this coming week, starting tomorrow, and then the other subjects na may iwan nasa 3rd quarter pa siya. So, habulin na lang namin yan. Usually naman yung mga late subjects namin is Araling Palipunan, Filipino, English, ganyan. And math. But the other subjects, on time naman kami. And then, for our grade 5 student, yung pangalan naman namin, okay na siya. Tapos na siya sa mga exams. In fact, natapos niya na yung last exam niya earlier today. And we will start na. We will start na our 4th quarter tomorrow. I have yet to create the schedule for him. So, hopefully tonight, pakagawa man lang ako kahit yung 1 week lang na lessons and schedule for him. So, we can start na our 4th quarter tomorrow. Other updates, yung dalawang mas matandang mga anak ko, yung grade 1 and yung grade 5, they are now officially enrolled under Peniel again. It's our 7th year na. We started with Peniel in 2016 as our 2016 as our homeschool provider. And ayun, so next school year dun ulit kami ka Peniel for grade 2 and grade 6. And as usual, we always take advantage of the early bird registration ng Peniel. So nakatipid kami ng malaki sa pag-take advantage ng early bird registration. And malaking changes kasi next school year, si Kuya, magiging under na siya ng HEPO or HEPO, yung Home Education Program na may online teaching. So, basically, merong teachers na magtuturo kay Kuya online for all the subjects. And then, the grades will still be mine. The facilitation ng mga quizzes sa akin pa din. And then kay ate, just a regular homeschool program siya. For our bunso, who will be kinder naman this coming school year, we decided not to enroll him with Peniel muna, but continue with the BZB's Learning Hive kasi okay naman yung homeschool journey namin under BZB's this year. So, for kinder, since maganda naman yung mga materials na ginagamit and na-enjoy ng anak namin yung curriculum nila. So, for kinder, kay BZB's pa rin kami. And then, pag grade 1 na lang siguro namin siya, ililipat kay Peniel para 3 mga bata na yun nandun. There's also an update from DepEd when it comes to homeschooling. So, ang magiging big change in our homeschool dynamics would be yung quarter exams. Instead na ako na ang nagpa-facilitate nun, it would be the homeschool provider. So, si Peniel na yung magpapa-exam sa mga bata for the quarter exams. Now, kung paano namin yung workout yon with the homeschool coordinator. Tingnan na natin pag sa susunod na school year. As mentioned naman doon sa last na meeting with Miss Au and the parents is may flexibility naman when it comes to the quarter exams para sa mga bata. For example, if hindi namin natapos ang isang lesson dun sa quarter na yon, we'll just have to inform the homeschool provider para ma-adjust nila yung magiging quarter exam para dun sa bata. For online resource naman, we are still using the Night Zookeeper. Si Kuya gumagamit siya ng Night Zookeeper, and we take pa rin ng tutorial classes with EM Hero or M Hero. Ayun, class naman yun. So, meron siyang mga ibang classmates doon. That's for math only, for the math subject. Kasi, I want him to have more exercises on math concepts. And okay yun na meron siyang tutor and he gets to meet other kids as well. We also did not buy any more books for the quarters, third and fourth quarters. Kasi if you have watched yung mga curriculum choices namin earlier this school year, meron pa kami mga books na kulang for some of the quarters, but I have decided not to buy them anymore and just rely na lang on online resources. Google ka na lang, and then malaking tulong rin kasi yung mga worksheets and PowerPoint presentations na pinaprovide naman ng homeschool provider namin. So ayun, that's the update only on our homeschool. I hope you continue to follow our homeschooling journey here in this channel kahit hindi ako masyado nag-video. So basically, busy lang sa bahay. And ayun, just continue to homeschool, continue to educate your children, and make every moment a learning experience for everyone. Sa mga merong request na videos, especially marami akong subscribers na mga bata na nagtatanong at naghihintay ng mga videos on how to learn some concepts. Try natin using it, ha? And I am really hoping that I can squeeze some time para maturuan ko rin naman kayo. So if you have any questions, you can message me on my social media accounts, or you can send me an email. So thank you again for watching, and happy homeschooling. Bye-bye.